I'm gonna need a drink as soon as we get to that motel. Good morning. Just left the Days Inn now. I'm not going to say I had the best night's sleep. Yeah, the incredibly hot sushi was alive in my belly pretty much about 1:30, 2 in the morning. But, you know, no sympathy, self-inflicted pain. I'm just really happy I didn't manage to finish the last 3. Because, you know, just trying them last 3, they were, you know, insane heat. The ones that make your eyes water, your head pounding, you'll go lightheaded. And with the 5, maybe 6 hour ride we got today, yeah, I'm already in agony and suffering this morning, so we're on our way. So on the bridge again, heading out of Charleston, and well, we're going to get some more food. We've got a long drive, we don't want to make too many stops because it's just down the highway. So we've seen another Triple D restaurant, and this one's famous for its breakfast and lunches and obviously brunches. So after doing a bit of research, they do probably one of the most famous fried chicken and waffles, a very famous American staple dish. Well, here we are, the Early Bird Diner, with a queue outside already. People are queuing to get in the car park. Wow, this place is going to be packed. We got shrimp and grits, delicious, and very nice people here. We're going to split down our waffles and chicken into 2 tiny plates so we can both try it. Oh, you'll put that all over. I think I can go for going all in. Alright, so we got the, what is this? Honey mustard on the chicken. I'm going to have a bit of waffle and a bit of chicken. I think it works really well together. Yeah, really light. I don't think you'd have trouble eating a full portion of this. I didn't know if the mustard would work well with it. I thought that was a bit of a wild one. But then you also look at nice. Chicken and waffles, it should work. It should be really weird, but no. Last bite. So 2.5 minutes. I'll get this shrimp and grits. It looks good. That's good. I'm not sure if it's equal to the other shrimp and grits we had in 55 South or whatever it was. We've actually got a homemade biscuit this time, American biscuit. It's going to get messy. I'm not sure what a good biscuit would be, but I think that's a good biscuit.
How y'all doing? Good?
Alright, Early Bird Diner. Ooh. Thank you very much, that was delicious. Yeah, the trip down to Daytona has begun now. 5 hours-ish. Feeling very positive about today just a couple of minutes ago, and then we went around a bit of a bend in the road and we're presented with what looks like a massive storm cloud. Well, 5 minutes before we got to the petrol station, gas station, monsoon rain. Absolutely soaked, so I didn't have time to put the waterproofs on. And now when we get to the petrol station, the sun's come out for a bit, so yeah, we're going to hang here for a minute, see how it goes. The sun looks like it's staying out, so my pants are dripping wet. I've got the least waterproof shoes that got holes all over them, so I think I'll have swamp feet by the end of today. Fingers crossed, that'll be the only bit of rain we'll have down to Daytona now. Otherwise, this is going to be a very long day. Say things come in threes, and what do you know, we've been driving for about 4 hours, 4.5 hours now. We're about 20 minutes away from Daytona Beach, and guess what? Yep, it's raining again. So no, we didn't have a chance to pull over, get to the gas station. We're gonna pull in, put some waterproof pants on, just to drive another 15 minutes. So yeah, hey ho, should have expected it. Well, we stopped off. I got my funky waterproof pants on, hopefully the last time I will ever wear them on this trip. Well, just when you thought things couldn't get any worse, because it wasn't terrible, it's just rained 3 times, but you know, we were so close, you know, 15-20 minutes away from the hotel. Gaz is mainly listening to Google Maps, and I was saying to take the turn off, but Gaz was leading and listening to his best friend on Google Maps, and unfortunately she's taking him down this road, which is the wrong turn off. There's no way to do a U-turn, it's a straight line road, no turn offs for 20 kilometers, so we've got to go 20 kilometers up there, do a U-turn, and then do 20 kilometers back, and then we've still got another 15-20 minutes minimum, maybe a little bit more to get to the hotel, so yay! Well, here we are. Yeah, the worst rain we've had so far. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's have the worst possible driving conditions on our last day of a long bike, after we've just been set back maybe about half an hour, 45 minutes, because we took a silly detour. Yeah, wow. Oh, yeah, zero visibility, can't see absolutely anything. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need a drink as soon as we get to that motel. Oh my goodness, this is a horrific end to the day. Yeah, we had to pull off the interstate because visibility was zero. We lifted visors up because it was steaming up inside, and then we got battered, so we had to drive at about 10 k's an hour to find this little pull-off where we could just stop from the rain a little bit, but that was horrendous. But fingers crossed, we're on the road to Daytona now. We got this road, it's clearing up a little bit, enough so we can drive, and then yeah, I think we definitely deserve a beer after this. Trickiest days of biking, but yeah, we're here. We're gonna get freshened up in the Grand Prix motel and then check out Daytona Beach. We made it, Daytona Beach. What a day.
We've earned these ones.
It's been a long day. Last long day of biking. I've been dry, wet, dry, incredibly wet, terrible driving conditions, but we've enjoyed Daytona Beach. Tomorrow, Orlando, here we come.